Hey everyone, so just trying to do a little walk today while I do this video. Haven't been out much today, which is unusual, and that's because today and this week and really the next few weeks are going to be a bit of a grind. As a kind of a team, we've set kind of a deadline for a month from now to kind of have a pull up and see where things are at. We're not at the point where we have to hit the complete panic button, but if we don't see things changing in a little while, then we'll have to reevaluate our plans. Some of us might have to get proper jobs, and so we are scrambling to make it all work. But the good thing is there's a lot of positive signs. We've made good progress this week on Groove, which is the company that is trying to make employee experiences better. Those cards that I had showed a little while ago as part of Groove. We've also had great progress on the Learn Samoan site. Dolly and I were up till 1 a.m. last night filming a sample lesson for that. Our group continues to grow, so that's also moving in a positive direction. But it is just there's just a lot of days like today where it's just a grind. And yeah, we live in the RV full time and live the Instagrammable life, but work's gotta get done, and sometimes you just sit in your RV all day working. That's just the way it is. And since Dolly's been involved with a lot of these experiments, she's been working just as hard as I've been, if not harder actually. And which has meant that our son Karipo has had to kind of fend for himself for a while, and is probably going to have to do that, which he is good at keeping himself entertained and busy and fed, which we appreciate. So it's just one of the joys of trying to do this business thing, is it's not always glamorous and fun, I suppose, and nothing is certain yet, but hopefully the next week or two we start getting a sense of whether this is going to work out or not, and then we can decide what we're going to do. I'm also hoping tomorrow we can share some of the deliverables for these experiments. For Groove, it's a new website that we can start to share with people and they can make purchases from. For Learn Samoan, it's going to be a sample lesson we want to send to people and start getting feedback. And I think that's mainly the stuff that I'll be delivering. So until next time, see you tomorrow.